Hello everyone, we will design GPS in Proteus software using Arduino board. This is the Proteus icon, Proteus software icon after installation. So double click on that. I will start a new project. I will give the project name as GPS2. Just to click on next, finish. Once you get this icon, click on this ISIS so that schematic workspace will come. Here we have to draw the diagram. This is the schematic diagram of GPS. This is the Arduino board. This is LCD and this is GPS. I will get these three components. So if you click on this P, components will come. Arduino is there. Select this UNO board and click on OK. You place it on the workspace. You fix somewhere. The Arduino board is there. Next I have to go with the GPS module. So here you can type GPS. This is the GPS module. Click OK and you paste it on the workspace. I need LCD also. If I type LCD, all this will come. So LCD, I will take this LM016L. Click on OK and put it in the workspace. So this is 16:2 LCD. And here what I will do, I will connect the 0 pin of Arduino to the transmitter section of GPS, and receiver pin I will connect to pin number 1. Next I will connect this third pin to 14th pin in the LCD, 13 to 4th pin over here, then 5th pin I will connect to 12, LCD 12, and the 5th pin in Arduino board. Then I have 11th pin I will connect to pin number 6 in the Arduino. So 4 wires I have connected, pin number 14, 13, 12, 11 for the LCD. So I have completed this 4. Next pin number 7 and 8. 7 and 8. You can see I have to connect it to pin number 6 and 4 respectively. 6 and 4 respectively. 6 I will take and then connect to this pin number 7 in Arduino. And then pin number 4 I will connect to pin number 8 in Arduino. Next, if you see 1, 3 and this 5 are connected together and grounded. Connected together and grounded. You click on this icon and take the ground. Put it somewhere here. Ground. And I have to connect pin number 1 to ground. Pin number 1 is connected to ground. 3 is connected to ground. 5 also connected to ground. Next is pin number 2, we have to connect to supply, power supply. Pin number 2 should be connected to power supply. So I will take this power and I will put somewhere here. Now take the wire from pin number 2 and then connect it to the supply. Now connections is completed. Next I have to go with the coding, and all the connections are completed. You can see all these connections I have completed. Receiver is connected to 1, transmitter is connected to 0. Okay, all this completed. Next is I have to go with the coding. So Arduino IDE, another installation. This is the icon. Double click on this Arduino IDE. Here we have to write the coding and give the path link to the Arduino board so that it will execute the GPS module. This entire is coding for GPS. So here control A, control V. I'm just pasting the code. If you see here, we are including the header files for LCD, header file for GPS module, LCD pin number. LCD is connected to Arduino pin number 345678. Okay, you can see here LCD is connected to pin number 345678. These are the pins of Arduino where LCD is connected. We are creating a variable GPS. Then this is the baud rate. LCD is 16 by 2 size. And then we are taking a boolean variable new data, assigning initializing with false. And this is another variable long type, short type, sentences unfailed. Then here we are taking a for loop. We are initializing millis a function to the start variable. We are trying to parse some GCS data and report some key values by doing this. Millis minus start less than 1000, it will be simulated for 1000 seconds. Then serial dot available is the function. While this function is on, the character C will get serial dot read, whatever read operation is there, that result read operation will come to C variable. Then a new sentence C variable is encoded into the GPS module. Then new data variable will get a true. Then if that new data variable is true, then we are going with the initialization of latitude and longitude. F latitude, F longitude, floating point type, and then long age, another variable. We are getting the position, satellite position, floating value, latitude, floating value, longitude, and the age, which is long. And then clear the LCD, then print the latitude value on the LCD with 5 decimal points, then set the cursor, then print the longitude value with 5 decimal points, then statistics of characters, sentences, failed, delay 3000. This milliseconds, 3000 milliseconds. This is about the code. So after writing the code, go to file, then preferences. You see that this compile is enabled. Then click on OK. Then verify the code. This tick mark, if you click here at the bottom, it will execute and give the hex file link. And if I click on verify, it is executing. Finally, if no error, it will give the hex file. So here if you see in the last line we will get hex file. This this is the path of the hex file. Copy this path, copy this path, and then go to the proteus. In the Arduino, in the program file, paste the path here. Then click on OK. See that GPS is also having the program file value. And here if it is empty, it will not work. So browse, and while installation, in the C drive, program data, and lab center electronics, proteus, library, GPS related hex file you have to link here. Okay, we are linking GPS module with the hex file, and whatever code executed, that path value we are putting in the Arduino board. Now you simulate. After some seconds, the latitude longitude will be displayed in the LCD. So simulate. It is getting executed. You can see at the bottom 7. Now latitude longitude, my present location in the Google Maps, my present location, that latitude longitude is given over here. In the GPS, if you see, just I am stopping the simulation, and in the GPS, if you see, 10 satellites are present here, 10 satellites, and clock frequency 16 megahertz. Okay, and this value whatever displayed after simulation, it was latitude and longitude using the GPS. My Google Map, my Google Map location on Earth, that latitude and longitude values were displayed. This is about GPS. This is about GPS in the Proteus software using Arduino board. Thank you.